Hello dosto, welcome to my channel mr.rahulkansal. Today we are gonna talk about shaving your beard without a shaving cream. Yes, it's a lockdown here for 21 days and I don't have shaving cream with me. Neither I can go out nor anyone can deliver it to my house. Now what to do? After searching quite a lot throughout the web, I got 3 alternatives to a shaving cream. First is coconut oil, second is shampoo, and third is a conditioner. 3 things what a shaving foam does is it creates a lubrication between the blade and your skin. The second is it helps to moisten your skin. A lot of blade running through the skin, and if the hair is very hard, clean shave मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है. So it helps to keep the moisture intact. And third is it creates a track for you to find out where are you shaving. Do watch this video. I will experiment these 2 things, the coconut oil and the shampoo, on myself, and let's find out what is the result, how well they perform compared to the shaving foam. And I have a small tip for you guys, so please watch the full video. We'll use coconut oil. The coconut oil side, let's see. What's the line? Okay, so far good. Glides properly with the oil. This side is a bit hard. It's without the oil, it's a little hard here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply oil here because it's very hard. Yeah, it's much easier now. After I applied the oil and the shampoo again, it was very easy to remove it, and it's very good. Well, I've kept this part for the end because this part is very sensitive for me. Results are here, and it's burning a bit. I guess this side is much better. I'd applied coconut oil this side first, and here it was a very hurry-burry coconut oil with shampoo. So this side is a little hard. This is very nice, this side is smooth. So maybe the coconut oil is good. You should apply coconut oil before you shave if you don't have a shaving cream. And we will use a aftershave balm. So take a little bit. It absorbs very fast, there is no residue. And now you can apply a moisturizer. A small tip: before you shave, you can apply some warm water and rub it across your face. It will soften your skin and it will make it easy for you to do a clean shave. So I really loved using an alternative to the shaving foam. You can also try it, but be very careful, it might give you a little razor burns. I am having a little burning issue here. Nevertheless, it's good alternative if you run out of a shaving foam or a shaving gel, because oil is available very easily. Yes, you can apply oil and do it, but do it very slow. Stay safe, stay healthy. Do like, share and subscribe. Comment down below your thoughts and tell me what would you expect from my channel. Thanks for watching. Do follow me on Instagram. I have given the links on the description box, and do check out my 2 previous videos. Yes, thank you.